11 Symptoms of bad spark plug wires in cars, signs of bad spark plug wires. For a car engine to function optimally, the spark plug must be in perfect condition. The size of a car plug is small, but the function is incredible. When the spark starts getting bad, the general performance of the engine will be limited. Spark plugs are not what you buy on an annual basis. Spark plugs stay longer before it goes bad. A normal spark plug has a grayish-white insulator, while that of a bad spark plug is covered with substances/stains like oil and fuel. Here are 11 symptoms of bad spark plug wires in cars. But before we dive, quickly click on the subscribe button, like, and share. One, reduced gas mileage. There are other symptoms of a bad spark plug wire to look out for, but reduced gas mileage is common a sign of bad spark plug wires and can be very frustrating too. Mileage is the number of miles covered. A good spark plug and wires in good condition can cover many distances, but with a bad spark plug wire, your journey can be shortened. 2, hard starts. When your car refuses to start, it might not a battery fault but a bad spark plug wire. Hard starts are one of the most common bad spark wire issues. Bad plugs can also drain the battery, stopping the engine from picking up. If you are certain it is not a battery issue, then you should replace the spark plug as soon as possible. Number 3, engine misfiring. Engine misfiring is one of the known symptoms of a bad spark plug wire in a car. This usually occurs when there is incomplete engine combustion. Engine misfires because the cylinders are not working or firing fine. With a bad spark plug, the vehicle will halt and continue. When the spark plug wire is bad, it will cause an erratic flow of electrical current to the engine. 4, slow acceleration. The next signs of bad spark plug wires are slow acceleration. A poor acceleration is a quick way to tell you that the spark plug wire is faulty. All you need to do is change the spark plug. 5, rough engine idling. Rough engine idling is also an electrical issue that develops when the spark plug wire is bad. It is also a common symptom that needs an urgent replacement of your spark plug. A bad spark plug wires can affect the smooth flow of electrical current, which can cause a rough engine idling. 6, poor fuel economy. Poor fuel economy in a car is a worrisome situation. There could be other reasons like the catalyst issue. But a bad spark plug wire is a suspect. When the spark plug is bad, the fuel economy decreases due to incomplete combustion. Get a new spark plug and the fuel economy will be back to normal. 7, reduced engine power. A reduced engine power fault is a result of a cut or breaks in the spark plug wire. When this happens, the engine will not function optimally, or it may not even start at all. For proper engine combustion and maximum engine power, the spark plug wire must be in good condition to ensure electrical current is passed into the engine. 8, engine surging. When you notice an engine surging issue in your car, act fast. This is a common sign of a bad spark plug wire in a car. An engine surge happens when there is a short spurt of sufficient electrical flow. Engine surging occurs when there are cracks or broken wires outside the insulation. Without the adequate flow of electrical power, the engine won't pick up. Engine surging is one of the symptoms of a bad spark plug. Replacing it will get your car back on the road. 9, knock-like noises. Usually, no knock-like noises should be considered as nothing. This kind of noise can be a sign of a bad spark plug wire. This can be noticed from the force of the pistons, which means the combustion is not working. To prevent other issues from coming up, get a new spark plug. 10, engine light comes on. You'll probably need the service of an auto mechanic or an auto electrician that will use the computer to help you check or scan to see if the engine light is on. A bad spark plug can cause engine misfiring, which can also set the engine light. Illuminated engine light is one of the symptoms of a bad spark plug wire. 11, engine hesitation. And the last symptom of bad spark plug wires on the list here is engine hesitation. Engine hesitation can possibly mean your spark plug is bad. It usually happens during acceleration. Engine hesitation occurs when there is an inadequate electrical current flow to the engine. The amount of electrical current from the car battery to the engine is not adequate. This can cause an engine to hesitate. Getting a new spark plug will remedy the situation. The car plug is linked to engine performance. Spark plugs are a very important component of the engine. Spark plugs ignite the combustion chambers to burn the mixture of fuel and air to enable the vehicle to move. Spark plugs are made from durable materials that can withstand tons of explosions before it starts getting bad. I hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more videos. Bye.